Boys, back again with another video. It's a little late night POV. As y'all can see, there's hella traffic here. I'm getting a cold start on this thing. I'm probably gonna scare everyone, gang. That shit fucked up. I bet. Yeah, everybody probably looking at me, gang. I just left the fair, so it's hella traffic. That's why so much cars are passing and all that. But I'm gonna give y'all a POV tonight. It's low-key freezing and it's summertime, bro. I just need to get some food, so I don't even know where I'm going, but I'm gonna get y'all a nice little POV tonight. Haven't done a late night POV in a minute. I'm gonna just let this warm up a little bit, and yeah, I'll show y'all what's up. See if I can give y'all a little walk around real quick. I probably can't even see nothing though. Yeah, I can't even see nothing, bro. Hey, the ambient lighting on the interior goes crazy though. Let's get it. There's gonna be hella traffic getting out of here though. This thing was packed today because it's like the last day of the fair too, so everybody came outside. This is my first time even coming here. That's the best thing, going out having fun and then get to driving this car on top of that. It's like a perfect day. It's not even that warm yet, but I'm already in Sport Plus somehow. Let me show y'all the stars too, because it's only the nighttime POVs that y'all can see that. Yeah, that shit fire. I can change the color too, but I usually rock purple or just regular white. But I low-key think purple is my favorite. That turbo is everything, bro. I want to go big turbo so bad, but let me know what y'all think in the comments. Should I go big turbo with it, or should I save for like M4 or something? Oh shit, I missed my turn. Damn, f***ed up. I was trying to go to the McDonald's. Oh, I could probably turn right here. I almost missed the shit again. Could I just get a double quarter pounder meal, please? Yeah, that looks good.
Grab ahead, please. Thank you.
Appreciate you. Hey, y'all probably think I'm a greedy ass motherfucker, bro. I only ate once today, and McDonald's is the only thing open. This is my last resort. My go-to is Chick-fil-A right now. We don't got Chick-fil-A in Canada like y'all do in the States. Only in a couple places, so Chick-fil-A my go-to, but I don't got a choice right now. Watch me going through here with my head mod on. It's cool though.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Is that a camera on your head?
Yeah, I'm like making a POV.
Sorry?
Yeah, I'm like making a point of view video.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You want to be in it?
Huh?
You want to be in it?
Oh, God forbid.
I appreciate you. I'm getting more comfortable, bro, with just like recording. Like, you just gotta not give a f, you know, like really, no one really cares, bro. But yeah, easier said than done though, because I'm still kind of iffy about it sometimes, but no one cares, gang. Alright, thank you. Appreciate you. Hey, you too. At least I got my food now, so no, I just gotta go home. I can actually give y'all a proper drive and enjoy it and not be thinking about what I'm gonna go eat. Can I even get out here? We got another Beamer right here. I was cutting up with some of them last night. I'm actually gonna put a clip in this video. clicked it on my dash cam. Where I live right now, I'm close to everything, so it'd only be taking me like 10-15 minutes max to get everywhere. That's cool as hell though, because I'll be saving on gas. But yeah, is that a cop right there? Damn, I think so. Peace officer. I don't even know what that means, yo. But I think it's a cop car though. It's one of them cop cars, them Fords. I only got a couple more minutes though, so let me get some action. I just hope that ain't a cop for real, because he's definitely hearing my car from back here. This is like a realistic POV drive, like me actually in traffic and all that, because in my other POVs I'm mostly be ripping it. Nah, this is the real life stuff right here. I was seeing the raw footage for real, because this will be most of the times when I try to record, just in traffic, behind cars, stuff like that. XHP goes crazy, yo. If y'all got a Beamer and y'all into tuning and stuff like that, make sure y'all get XHP, bro. A lot of people sleep on it and they just do the MHD tune, stage 2, stage 1, this and that, but they don't be doing XHP. That's your transmission tune. Make sure y'all be getting XHP as well, because it's a game changer for real. Listen to this real quick, listen to this. Jesus, bro. Yeah, that shit crazy. I think that's a cop car too in front of me. It's a Ford, but I feel like I'm tripping though. Let me pull up beside him real quick. Let me see. Imagine it's a cop and I get pulled over right now. Ain't no way. Let me look in there too. Shit, I don't know. They got them computers in there. That boy looked at me and shook his head. I don't know if they cops or not. I ain't trying to find out though. Like right beside me. Let me show y'all real quick. Look. I don't think it's a cop though, but maybe it's one of them undercover ones, because I'm new to the city, so I don't know if this is what the undercovers be driving or not, but he got the computer in there that the cops be having and all that, and they look like cops too. I'm pretty much here. If I don't do it now, Jesus. Nah, I tell y'all, this is like the perfect shit. Like, there's never a boring moment with this car, because I just did from the fair, like I said, and just my drive home, like shit, just as fun as the rides, bro. I ain't even trying to wake up nobody though. I'm not trying to be the menace to this community, so I'm gonna take my time. Maybe I could get like a thumbnail right here. Yeah, let me do that real quick. Or actually, hold on, there's a better spot down here, I think. Let me see. Yeah, this is just some raw footage for y'all, so if y'all mess with this, let me know. This is like some real shit, uncut footage. So let me see. Maybe I can take one of the roundabout right here. It probably look fire. Yo, that pink building over there is crazy. If I can pull up right there, that'll be the perfect spot. Let me see, let me see. Oh shit. Hey, I'm gonna take this right here real quick. Let me show y'all what's up too. I ain't even gonna cut it. Let me see. Maybe I can pull in. Oh shit. I wonder if that security gonna be mad. Fuck it, I'ma just risk it, bro. Who knows? Maybe he's a cool guy. I'm just gonna be like, hey, I just want to take a picture of my car right here, bro. Is that okay with you? You probably think I'm dipping. Nah, I ain't dipping. I'm just trying to fix myself properly. I just wanted to take a picture of my car real quick. That's okay?
What's that?
I just wanted to take my picture of my car right here. Is that cool?
Picture your car where?
Oh, like with that in the background. Is that cool?
Okay.
Yeah? Alright, thank you, thank you. Hey, see, you never know if you don't ask, bro. I know y'all probably don't even have a good angle right now, but I for sure got something. I usually just be spamming when I'm taking them. Appreciate it, man. Hey, W guy. We got the thumbnail, we got the video. Fire night, W day for real. Let me see if I can do one more little pull for y'all, cause I ain't trying to wake anyone up, but hopefully y'all boys enjoy this video. Thank y'all again for watching, and I'll catch y'all again in the next one.